Today we are unboxing the Maono lavalier microphones. This is the AU-200. These allow you to connect to your phone or to another device, and you can record your conversation. It's supposed to be a clearer audio, so I wanted to check it out so I can do some videos for what I'm planning where I need it to be closer. This one comes with two different mics on it. So says you need to do your smartphone, camcorder, PC, and also digital camera. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Should be pretty simple. All right, so in the box we've got silica. All right, so we've got the actual microphone here. Got the plug. So it looks like this is an actual adapter, so you can pull this one off. See if I can do it with one hand. There we go. So you can actually pull this off so you can insert it into your phone. If you have an iPhone or Samsung, you're gonna have to use the adapter to get that to work with your phone if you do not have a headphone port. So let me see. So little clip to clip it onto a shirt. We've got, well, that looks like a mic. It's interesting. So that looks like a mic. Oh, so that is a mic. Okay, so this must go over the earbuds. So let me see what's in this package. So this is a controller here. So we've got the others on top, and then for the smartphone on the bottom, and it has those little clips. You can clip it to your pants or whatever you're connected with. We've got little manuals in here, user guide. And again, this is the AU-200. There are other models of this that I've seen on Amazon. I don't know what the difference in the models are. And they're all around the same price. So I'm not sure. So just a little quick guide, tells you where everything is. Alright, so we've got this neat little carrying case here. And there should be some microphone covers inside of this case because they are not on the actual mics. There's one, there's two. Alright, so there we go. So we've got an extra clip for clipping it onto a shirt or whatever you're wearing. We've got the little covers here that go on the mic. That way it looks like this when you set it up. So technically you could clip one of these to yourself and then clip one to an extra person that you're interviewing or talking to. That way the signal is clearer. I don't know if it is, but that's the idea. So I am gonna try it out and then I will let you know how it is. Actually, we'll do another video and we'll do it with the phone by itself, and then we'll do them with the mics. So I forgot to mention I am using this device with a Galaxy S21 Ultra. I am using the headset adapter in order to insert this into my phone. If you have an iPhone, you need whatever adapter the iPhone has as well. So the bad news is that this one isn't working. It doesn't matter which mode I put it in. It should be in this bottom mode, which is for smartphones, but it doesn't come on. When I put my phone into Pro Video, so I can select a camera, you can choose omnidirectional, front, rear, USB. When it's in omnidirectional, it actually shows the bars moving from the phone being recording. But when I put it to USB for this device, it's completely blank. There's no bars at all. So I'm gonna return this one to Amazon. Maybe order another one and see if maybe this one's just defective. If not, then I'll have to try out a different one because maybe this one just doesn't work for the Galaxy. I did see some videos on YouTube where people are using some that work just fine. So maybe it's just this device. So I'm gonna go ahead and return it. Too bad we couldn't test it out, but we'll go ahead and see if we can get a new one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will upload a new video when I get the new one in. Let me know anything else you guys want to see. I do record videos sometimes, but I forget to upload them. I'm gonna try to get a lot of these videos up soon. But if there's anything else that you want to see, please leave a comment. If you've used this mic, leave your comments on how you think it works. Again, this is the AU-200 by Maono. I think that's how you pronounce it.